Today's topic is guided math small group instruction. When you pull a small group, you can work on the current day skill or work on something that the kids need. Make it hands-on. This is the time you can focus on what the individual needs in order to move on to the next skill. You can fill in the gaps during small group instruction. Hopefully, you set up your groups in a flexible manner. During this video, we are going to create a checklist for your upcoming unit. You will need your TEKS and the Learning Target handout. The first step is to break apart the TEK into small chunks. Write the chunk in the column for what we want students to learn. An example for 3rd grade is included. The main TEKs for this unit are 3.2a, 3.2b, and 3.2d. Let's look at 3.2a. Compose and decompose numbers up to 100,000 as a sum of so many 10,000s, so many thousands, so many hundreds, so many tens, and so many ones using objects, pictorial models, and numbers, including expanded notation as appropriate. The kids need to compose numbers using objects, pictorial models, and numbers. This is 3 different skills. They also need to decompose numbers using objects, pictorial models, and numbers, including expanded form. This is 3 more skills. So this TEK has 6 different skills the kids need to be able to do. Now that you have your checklist, you can pull small groups based on skills the kids need to be able to do. If a group of students can't compose a number using objects, they will probably not be able to compose the number pictorially. Having a checklist will guide your groups. Record keeping for small group instruction can be tricky. I use a binder for each class. Each student has a page that I jot down notes on their learning. During small group time, I have a sticky note that I just make notes on. I try to give myself a few minutes between groups to update the student's page. If I need documentation for RTI, I can make a copy of that student's page. Small group instruction will be your best tool for intervention and enrichment. Keep working on it until you get a system that works for you.